also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their ability to fly without a human pilot on board. Drones have numerous applications, from delivering packages and inspecting infrastructure to capturing aerial footage for film and television. In this article, we will explore the use of drones in industry and everyday life and their potential to change the way we work and live. One of the most promising applications of drones is in the delivery industry. Drones can be used to deliver packages to remote areas or to locations that are difficult to access by traditional means. This can reduce delivery times and costs, making it a more efficient and cost-effective way to deliver goods. Companies such as Amazon, UPS, and Google have already started testing drone delivery services, and we can expect to see more widespread adoption in the coming years. Drones are also being used in infrastructure inspection and maintenance. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can inspect bridges, pipelines, and power lines, detecting any signs of damage or wear and tear. This can reduce the need for human inspection, which can be dangerous and time-consuming. Drones can also be used to perform maintenance tasks, such as painting or cleaning, without the need for scaffolding or other equipment. In addition to industry applications, drones are also being used in everyday life. Drones equipped with cameras can be used for aerial photography and videography, capturing stunning footage of landscapes, events, and wildlife. Drones can also be used for recreational purposes, such as racing and drone photography. With the increasing popularity of drones, we can expect to see more people using them for a variety of purposes. While the use of drones has many benefits, it also raises concerns about privacy and safety. Drones equipped with cameras can invade privacy, and there is a risk of drones colliding with other aircraft or objects. As a result, many countries have implemented regulations on the use of drones, requiring operators to obtain licenses and follow specific guidelines. In conclusion, drones have numerous applications in industry and everyday life, from delivery and infrastructure inspection to photography and recreation. While there are concerns about privacy and safety, the benefits of using drones are significant, including increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved safety. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more widespread adoption of drones and new use cases emerge, changing the way we work and live.